if you want to accept Monero as part of an e-commerce business, you essentially have a few basic issues that need to be solved. The first issue is that you need to create a unique address for every customer and every product that they want to buy, so you can correlate the incoming transactions with the customer and what they wanted. So you need to essentially make an invoice. Part of that is also that you need to convert the XMR exchange rate to the fiat currency of your customer, because most likely people still think in their fiat money. And you also need to be able to get the incoming transactions on a continuous basis as the wallet is synchronizing. So the MONEROCHAN merchant RPC basically solves all of these issues for you. And it also has this documentation page here that you see is running on my local computer. So for example, in this case, you can see I just started the merchant RPC binary, and it's now listening on port 3001. And it has this API docs page here. So this API docs page here is also interactive, so you can essentially fire curl commands from this interface here. And in this case, for example, I already started syncing this wallet, so you see here the response that you got from this curl command. And you can get the status of the wallet as well with this command. You see here this is live and updating as we execute these curl commands. And also this documentation page was generated from an openapi.yaml file that you can see here in the code base. It's this file here. Let us take a look. And the thing is, it's also at the same time the single source of truth for your application. So there's a package used here that is called Express OpenAPI Validator. And this tool basically turns this YAML file. As you can see here, we load this YAML file, and then it turns it into the router basically for our Express app. And it also generates this live Swagger interactive documentation page. The other thing that this tool also uses is Kasha, which is a very amazing library that basically turns this Node.js app, takes this thing basically and turns it into a binary. So you saw here, this thing here, it's not that I'm running a dev server or something, it's just like I run this binary. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is the MONEROCHAN merchant RPC and how it works. Okay, bye-bye. And sorry, I forgot the most important thing. I mean, all of this would of course not be possible without the Monero JavaScript library. So yes, very good library that basically makes all of this possible. So okay, bye-bye for real.